Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bindu Billy. In today's video, I'll be doing some crocheted boho braids along with individual braids in the front to help me achieve a more natural look without the crochet effect. Today's video is sponsored by YGWIGS. The link is in the comment section below. I'll be doing a tutorial on their curly human hair bohemian crochet braids in the color 1B. They sent me 2 bundles of 30-inch and 2 bundles of 24-inch. I requested these 2 lengths because I want my braids to be in layers. In the box, she added some extra accessories along with instructions on how to care for your hair, which was really helpful. To braid the front of my hair, I'm using the pristine 100% human hair. It came in 4 small bundles in the color jet black. I later realized that this curly hair is a little darker than the crochet hair I received, but it's okay since the difference is not too noticeable. Before you start braiding, make sure to comb out the very end of the human hair to make sure that you take away any excess hair that might lead to shading when you are all done. Next, you will need to get 1 pack of 52-inch pre-stretch braiding hair. That is what you are going to use to braid the front of your hair along with the curly human hair. Lastly, you will need a shine agent. This will help make sure that your natural hair is not sticking out of the braids. It's very important that you use this because when you are all done braiding, you might not be able to scissors the braids because of all the human hair you will have in the way. To section out my hair, I'm parting just behind my ear. That might allow me to have 2 to 3 rows of braids. Then I take a desired amount of braiding hair to achieve the same size as the crocheted hair. I go ahead and separate the braiding hair in half, then overlap it with one of the extensions and then start braiding. As I'm braiding, I take piece of the curly human hair and add it into each braid. I do this 3 to 4 times on each braid so that my braids can look full, nice and neat when I'm done. You're gonna braid all the way to the end and make sure you tie the knot. And the way you tie the knot is just grabbing one of the extensions and wrapping it around the braids and then tie it like 2 to 3 times to make sure that your braids is secured and you're not gonna have like flyaways, you're not gonna have some hair sticking out, and the extension is not gonna be coming out. I'm going to repeat the same steps on each braid until I'm done with the fronts. I'm done braiding the front of my hair. At this point, I'm using the crochet head I received from YGWIGS to crochet the back of my hair. The hair feels really soft and is shelled very less compared to the ones I have used in the past. I'm using 4 packs at the back of my hair. Each pack has 20 strands. I started crocheting the back of my hair with 30-inch, then as I worked my way up, I added 24-inch. The reason why I did the longer one first is because I like my hair to be in layers. I like this method best because it saved me time and it also saved me money. The next time I decide to do this hairstyle, I can easily reuse this hair, and all I have to do is wash my hair, wash the extensions, and then go ahead and install it right back into my hair. And this is going to save me at least over $200 to $300. I'm applying this conditioner to help soften, shine, and make my curls look even more beautiful. Shout out to YGWIGS for the sponsorship. This hair is beautiful, flexible, and does not shade. You can wear this hair in so many different styles like side part, middle part, half up and half down. However you wish to wear it, and no one will tell if it's crochet. Thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.